Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable direct message on TikTok. First, hold on to the TikTok app and reach to its app info. You can force stop the app and tap on clear storage and cache. Here, you have to clear the storage of the app. Then go to the Play Store and search for the TikTok app. Now update this app to use its latest version. After that, open the TikTok app and log into your account. Here, tap on the profile shown at the bottom. Then tap on 3 lines and reach the settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem option. After that, scroll down and report by hitting Chat with us. Here, type your problem that you can't send or receive direct messages. It'll give you the option to submit the ticket. You have to type My direct message option is missing. Help me with this issue as soon as possible. Then report the problem and you'll be done. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.